Plant-based protein. What is plant-based protein? Plant-based protein is the protein found in plants only, not from fish or animals. It can include a variety of foods, though mainly plant proteins are found in nuts, both raw and roasted, legumes, seeds and beans. Potatoes and some other vegetables also contain protein, including broccoli, kale, asparagus and mushrooms. Another good food that's filled with plant protein is the nutrient-dense Ezekiel bread, which is made from barley, wheat, lentils, millet and spelt. Why plant-based protein? In recent years, the benefits of a plant-based diet have been widely publicized, lowering heart disease, fighting acne, maintaining weight. Since most of these foods are low in calories, and other whole foods, such as beans, provide protein, the plant-based approach can help reduce calorie consumption while still providing adequate nutrition. Types of plant-based protein: bean or legume-based, lentil beans and rice, chickpeas, black beans, bean burgers, eggless eggs, pea protein-based, pea protein, pea milk, grain-based, seitan, Ezekiel bread, whole wheat flour, spelt, teff nut and seed-based, almonds, cashews, Brazil nuts, pistachios, chia seeds, flax seeds, quinoa, veggie-based, potatoes, sweet potatoes, spinach, broccoli, asparagus. Sources of plant-based proteins: chia seeds, chickpeas, green peas, hemp seeds, kale, kidney beans, lentils, nutritional yeast, oatmeal, pumpkin seeds, quinoa. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.